Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions out there this morning. Temperatures already warming up quickly into the lower 50s as of 10 a.m. We have some mostly sunny skies out there as well, and slightly breezy onshore flow out of the northeast. Continue to see that slightly breezy onshore flow today, and temperatures should continue to warm in the mid-50s. Looking at our upper level sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 12,800 feet. Winds are out of the north and quite breezy this morning at 1,000 feet at 26 knots, then decreased around 10 to 20 knots from 3 to 9,000 feet out of the northwest. Then winds continued out of the northwest and increased up to 32 knots at 20,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have an area high pressure across the Great Lakes and eastern Canada. It's going to be building into our region today, giving us this more onshore flow. That's going to allow us to see some low-level cloud cover build in tonight. The next few nights as we'll have light winds as well as a good amount of moisture in the low levels across the region. Looking at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have some upper level cirrus cloudiness building in the region, but other than that, very nice conditions. Seeing a little bit of low level cloud cover starting to develop over the open waters of the Atlantic. Most models are showing that to continue to develop and spread inland as we move into the overnight hours tonight, and that would be our low-level cloud cover. Looking at the European model for the next few days, here's your Christmas morning. Very nice conditions, high pressure in control, temperatures in the 30s. So overall, a beautiful day for Christmas. We'll see temperatures warm into the 50s, high pressure continuing to be in control of the eastern seaboard. Thursday, we'll have another area high pressure to quickly move into New England. That should provide us with slightly cooler conditions for Thursday. But overall, the next 3 days should be very similar. And moving on towards Friday for the end of the work week, looking like we'll have nice conditions continuing. Warmer conditions should prevail on Friday as we'll have more southwesterly flow across the region as an area high pressure moves off the coast. And we'll have an area of disturbed weather starting to approach the region for the second half of the weekend. But Saturday looks like a good day across the area. Temperatures in the 50s to lower 60s, so about 10 to 15 degrees above normal for the first half of the weekend. And Sunday looks like we'll have a cold front approaching from the west. Should see some prefrontal showers across the area on Sunday, but not a complete washout, it looks like right now. This frontal boundary speeds up, could be more of a rainy day on Sunday, but expecting right now we'll just have some isolated or scattered showers across the region. This is Sunday evening. And moving into Sunday into Monday, the European model really amplifies this area low pressure across the Great Lakes. Not really expecting this right now. Most likely just going to be a cold front sweeping through the region with an area low pressure developing farther north and west of what this model is showing. Farther north and east of what this model is showing. But overall, should see some cooler conditions to move into Monday afternoon. Looking at our risk chart for today, we have a green chart across the board, a high of 54 degrees. Northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gust to 21, then calming tonight at northeast and north-northeast at 5 to 10 knots, a low of 33 degrees. We'll see VFR conditions today, and then we'll see some ceilings around 1,500 feet built in for this evening into the overnight hours, and then we'll have a likely scenario of seeing a broken deck around 2,000 feet for your Christmas morning at 8 local. Our tides are normal, and looking at Christmas Day through Thursday, Christmas Day we'll see mostly cloudy skies in the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon, seasonable, a high of 52. Wednesday night we'll see a chance of fog, otherwise partly cloudy to mostly clear, a low of 32. And for Thursday, chance of lingering fog in the morning, then partly cloudy, a high of 53. Should see those ceilings below 500 feet and visibility below a mile if we do have that fog over the base. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have partly cloudy conditions today, mostly cloudy for your Christmas, but overall temperatures very nice the next 3 days, 51, 52, and 53 for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday and Saturday even warmer, 56 and 58 with partly to mostly cloudy conditions. And then Sunday looks like our warmest day, a high of 60 degrees with a chance of some rain showers, fairly breezy southerly flow. With the 40% chance of those rain showers. And then Monday looks like we'll have that rain in the area during the morning hours, and also some wind with a strong southerly flow ahead of the cold front and then strong northwesterly flow behind the cold front. Should see a high of 50 degrees in the morning on Monday with temperatures falling back into the 40s during the afternoon with that cold front moving east of the area. Well, that's going to complete this 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas. We'll be back on Friday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.